How to access or use mobile-only deals on Booking.com. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you steps on how you can access and use mobile-only deals on Booking.com. Well, in order to do so, you'll need to do it through the application or through the web browser. Either ways, you want to go ahead and proceed to search for your particular reservation that you would like to make, like, for example, the place and check-in and check-out date. Now here, you want to find the mobile icon at booking here on the page. That's if here. So you want to look for the mobile rate badge next to the properties offering mobile-only discounts, and then select the mobile rate option during the booking process. If the option is available, you'll find it during the booking process, so you can proceed to select the mobile rate option. Mobile-only deals are a way of hotels to attract more bookings to mobile devices, so it is a good idea to check for these when planning your trip using the app or mobile site. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.